Today my son and I will be unboxing this grill, and this is the Amazon Basics grill. We have a manual and the instructions were straightforward and easy to follow, and these are all the pieces that we got in our package. And you just need two basic tools to put this grill together. You just need a pliers and a screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver. As you can see, we have two wheels, so it's easy to lug around with you, and it's very lightweight in case you have to lift it up. We also have a thermometer, and that makes it very convenient to monitor your grill instead of opening the lid to check on your meat. So these are all the pieces. We have some screws. Just make sure to tighten the screws properly just to ensure that you have a sturdy grill, because this is a nice sturdy grill and it's lightweight. I'll be showing you how to assemble this grill in the next clip. This is a nice compact grill, so if you have a small space working with, this will be perfect for you. The cooking area measures 19.5 by 16.5 inches. This is my first grill, so I was worried about my chicken being too dry. At the same time, I love my chicken well done, so the coal is only halfway on my grill. I burn each one for about a couple seconds and then I move them from the direct heat. And this is the ash catcher. I'm using it as a chimney just to light more coal to add to my grill, because I was slow cooking this chicken and it turned out very well. So I love my new grill. It's very easy to deal with, and I added oil to my racks, so it was very easy to clean afterwards.